In your life of 75 years, how many condoms you would have used?
I would have used thousands and thousands.
Congratulations, it's World Contraception Week. How will you celebrate this week? Do you guys know it's the World Contraception Week?
Oh, really? No idea.
I don't know about it. I didn't know. It's good to know. No.
Do you think we need it?
I don't know if we need to celebrate it. We definitely need to talk about it. That's for sure.
Yeah, people should know.
बीवी है और बच्चा नहीं चाहिए तो क्या करना चाहिए?
हमारे बीबी नहीं बच्चा नहीं हमें तो सन्यासी बाबा.
Best way to prevent pregnancy. What is contraception?
Contraception basically means what? Protection against conceiving. Safe sex.
Safe sex.
Six packs.
Safe sex.
Have safe sex.
What are the ways to avoid pregnancy?
Contraceptive.
Basically condom.
Condom है. तुम्हें? क्या मैं नहीं कर सकता? मुझे कोई मिलेगी नहीं क्या?
Pull out early.
But there is something called pre-cum.
I don't think pre-cum can make you pregnant. I think that's a myth.
राहुल मुन्ना चुन्नू से पूछो जो उस गली में घूम रहे हैं.
Copper teas.
They put this copper tea, they insert it, you don't get pregnant.
So you can still have sex, but the soldiers are still going to be outside the LOC.
Yeah.
Papite ka beach. Yeah, I've heard about this.
पपीते का बीज?
I've heard body में कुछ गर्मी बढ़ती है, so you do not conceive and all.
About the papaya, that's a myth.
What are the kind of contraceptive pills?
You can go on the birth control pill.
Which is the regular contraceptive pill?
I don't know the scientific difference, but I do know there's a difference.
There's an emergency contraceptive as well, which is called the morning after pill.
Do you guys have any myths about pregnancy?
If you kiss, you get pregnant.
When the girl is on her period, 2 or 3 days before that is a good time to have sex without protection.
Gynecologists will disagree. They say that ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार. Oral sex, you get pregnant.
If you hold hands?
No way.
Let me check.
That was
Did you get pregnant?
Oh. I am 28 years old and I've never gotten a period. Am I pregnant?
1 minute. Say that again.
I think I'm pregnant.
Do you have ovaries?
Wait, I need to check.
Until you have intercourse, I don't think it's gonna happen.
From which university you should do that course?
Sorry?
It's okay. So a lot of people know about it and a lot of people don't know about contraceptives. And if you don't know about contraceptives, this is the helpline number. Call them right now and do not feel stupid about asking anything because it's better to feel stupid right now rather than feeling sorry later. So like this video, share this video and subscribe to the most humorously safe channel, Being Indian. Follow Being Indian on this Twitter handle, it's Being Ind. And if the question is Sahil Khattar on Twitter and Instagram? The answer is yes, by the same username. It's here. And it's here. And if you have any doubts about sex, pregnancy, comment down below with them. We will bust your myths because I can help. आपको लगता है कि टिंडर पे लॉग ऑन करने से थोड़े दिनों बाद ये होगा? I just wanted to know if you want to share a banana with me. Not at all?
What the fuck? No.